Just got braces, and now there's food stuck everywhere, and brushing feels 10x more complicated. Am I right? Don't worry, I completely understand and I got you. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rachita Guru, an orthodontist, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your teeth with braces so that you don't end up with stains, cavities, and bad breath after the end of your treatment. Okay, trust me when I say this, but I completely understand what you're going through because I've had braces myself. I think I got braces like 6 years ago, and I can still remember how annoying it was. Food getting stuck even after having, something as small as biscuits. Brushing takes forever, and even after you're done with your brushing, you're just like, oh my god, are my teeth really clean? So if you're feeling this way, you're not alone. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be your braces bestie, and I'm going to tell you my exact routine that I used to follow and make this entire process much easier for you. Okay, now before we get into the actual video, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I share super simple dental tips that actually makes your life easier. Okay, now let's try to understand why exactly this is happening in the first place. So you have your bracket or your braces that are attached, right? Over and above that, you have a wire that is attached. Now, to hold the wire in place, you have some elastics, rubber bands, or another wire that is attached on top of them. So all the brackets, wires, and elastics, they basically act like tiny food traps. And whenever you eat anything, be it roti, be it pasta, be it rice, be it mashed potatoes, anything that you eat, the food is going to get stuck in between your brackets. And because of this, plaque tends to get formed much faster than usual. And when this plaque is not removed from the surface of your teeth over a period of time, that's when the real problem starts. Now, this is something I really want you to pay attention to. Now, when someone who has not maintained their oral hygiene well during the braces treatment, during the end of their treatment, when they're about to get their braces removed, they get their brackets removed, they're all excited, wow, I'm going to see my straight teeth. But instead, what do they see? They see white chalky patches on their teeth, and they're just like, oh my god, what is this? So these white patches, they're actually called white spot lesions, and they are basically an early stage of tooth decay. And they happen exactly around the brackets, right where the plaque was deposited, and it wasn't cleaned properly from there, right? So over a period of time, if the plaque is not removed, you get these white chalky patches, which are basically an early stage of your cavities. But don't worry, the good news is that this is 100% preventable if you properly clean your teeth during your braces treatment. Okay, now let's dive into the actual process. Now, to maintain a proper oral hygiene routine during your braces treatment, you only need 3 tools, right? The first is a water flosser. Second is a interdental or a Proxa brush, and third is the orthodontic toothbrush. Step 1 is to use a water flosser. Now, if you don't have this one yet, I would highly recommend getting it. So I started using a water flosser 6 years back during my braces treatment, and I've been using it ever since. It just makes cleaning with braces so much more easier. So it's basically like a small water jet, and it shoots out water and flushes out all the food particles from around your brackets. Think of it like pressure cleaning for your teeth. It's gonna reach all the areas where your toothbrush does not reach. And especially after having nails, it's a game changer. I've also made a full detailed video on how to use a water flosser, so you can check that out after watching this video. If you're finding this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button because I share super simple dental tips that's gonna make your braces life very easy. Step 2 is an orthodontic toothbrush. These brushes are designed specifically to be used with braces. So they basically have 2 levels of bristles. The outer longer bristles clean your teeth and your gums, and the inner shorter ones clean around your brackets. Now, most people, they take the orthodontic toothbrush and they brush their teeth from the front, right? And this is exactly the step where most of the people get it wrong. Your braces have 5 surfaces that need cleaning and not just the front.
You need to clean the top of the braces, you need to clean the bottom of the braces, the front, and the both sides underneath the wire.
So what you need to do is take your toothbrush and angle it slightly, right? Start with the top of your brackets. Move it back and forth and clean gently. Then move it to the bottom side. Then move on to the front side. Now make sure you're not rushing this because you need to do this on all the brackets for your upper and your lower teeth. And once you're done with your braces, don't forget the rest of the teeth, especially the inner surface and the chewing surface. Now, even after you're done brushing completely, there is still one area that is left behind, and that is underneath the wire and in between your brackets. And that's exactly where an interdental or a Proxa brush comes in. This is honestly one of the most underrated tools, and it's exactly because of skipping this that you develop your white spot lesions. It's basically like a miniature version of a bottle cleaning brush. It goes into the small gaps underneath the wire and in between the brackets and removes the plaque that your toothbrush misses. And this step is extremely important to prevent plaque buildup between your teeth. Okay, now let's talk about what your daily routine should be. Now, ideally, you should be brushing your teeth after every meal, right? After breakfast, after lunch, after dinner. But realistically, it's not possible because you might be at school, you might be at college, you might be at work. So, brushing your teeth after every meal becomes difficult. So, what is the bare minimum that you have to do? You have to brush at least twice a day. So, you need to brush once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. So, after every meal that you have or any snack that you have, be it as small as having biscuits, you need to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water so that all the food particles are removed from your mouth and there is no food stuck in between your braces. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can use a fluoride mouth rinse during the day, and that gives you extra protection against cavities and white spot lesions. Okay, now let me quickly tell you the top 3 mistakes that I see my patients making, right? So the first one is brushing your braces only from the front. Now, most of the people, what they end up doing is they brush their braces from the front and they completely ignore the area in between the brackets, the chewing surfaces, and because of that, they tend to get cavities in between the teeth. So it's very important to stand in front of the mirror, take your time, and nicely clean all the surfaces of your teeth, including in between your brackets and underneath the wire. Number 2 is completely ignoring the gum line. Now, what do most patients think? They're like, "Acha, braces clean karna hai." So they nicely clean the braces from the front surface and from the back, they clean everything. But they ignore the teeth around the gums. So when plaque gets deposited, it starts getting deposited first along your gum line. So you have to make sure to take your toothbrush and clean the teeth along the gum line as well. Now, the third mistake is not rinsing your teeth after meals. Now, whenever you've had anything, be it as small as having a biscuit, these might seem like small things, but over time it's going to build up. It's going to cause a lot of plaque deposition. It's going to cause bad breath, and eventually it can lead to those white spot lesions as we spoke about. If you follow this routine consistently, I guarantee that you will sail through your braces journey without any damage, and you'll end up with the clean and healthy smile that you signed up for. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share this video, and also please do subscribe to my channel for more such dentist approved oral care tips. If you have any questions or concerns about your braces treatment, then drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Bye, and see you very soon in the next video.